I'm Chef Crystal, and we're going to be carving ham. You always want to be aware of where the bone is in your ham. You flip it up and you can see if your bone is running straight or if it's running a little bit to the side. So you're going to take your fork and then you're going to locate the bone and you're going to go to the side and start to cut straight down. It's okay if you run into a little bit of bone. You can just change the angle of your knife. Once you do your first cut, you're going to go ahead and place it to the side. You don't want to make your slices too thick, maybe about 1/4 inch to no more than 1/2 inch thick. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my ham and keep slicing around the bone. That is a nice, quick, easy way to carve your ham.